Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Crazy Gadget, and the gadget that comes in today's video is very special. It is more effective and perfect in its work that it is amazing to see. So friends, get ready to meet these gadgets one by one. If the channel has not yet subscribed, then subscribe now and set the notifications and hit the bell icon. So let's go towards our gadget. Number 1. Nano Hold. Friends, this is a small but very useful gadget with the help of which you can place your phone on the back side, and through it you can attach or hold your phone on the wall. You can also use it for your car by putting it on the back side of your smartphone. You can use it by holding it in many other places too. So friends, is it not such a great gadget? It definitely makes one like. Number 2. Comstock. Friends, you will know that we need fire or some other energy source to cook food so that we can cook. But with the help of this gadget, you can cook your food anywhere, and at the same time with the help of its power system, you can charge your smartphone with great ease. It is a portable device that you can carry with you anywhere. It has a 2600 mAh battery in which you can store electricity. With the help of the fan given in it, you can also speed up its fire very quickly, and some LED lights are also provided in its front in which you can see its power and fan speed. So friends, if you are fond of camping or traveling, then this gadget will definitely work well for you. Number 3. Finger Power Bank. Friends, you must have seen power banks for many mobiles, but they become much larger in size, so we have to face some problem to carry. So in such situation, you can use this amazing gadget. This is a small power bank that you can carry in your pocket easily. In this you get 1000 mAh battery with the help of which you can easily charge your smartphone from 0 to 80%. Its charging pin is magnetic, so when you bring this gadget close to your phone, it will automatically fit into your phone charging jack. So friends, if you are also busy in official work or travel too much, then this gadget will be perfect for you because it is so small that you can carry it in your pocket. Number 4. Nuvia Alpha. Guys, we will all use smartphones in today's time. But today I am going to show you such a gadget that you guys will be stunned. So friends, this is an amazing smartphone that is durable and you can wear it in your hand very easily. It has a 4-inch display, and at the same time you get a 5 megapixel camera. It sounds like a watch. In this you can use multiple applications very easily by installing. With its help you can also make voice calls or video calls. So friends, if you also want to enjoy the smartphone in a watch, then you will like this gadget very much. Number 5. HI Mirror. Guys, we all use our mirrors in our daily life. But if you want to make your home a little smarter, then you can use this mirror. This is an advanced mirror in which you also get many features. A camera has been given in the front of its mirror, which allows you to treat yourself by looking at the dark circles on your face or even more, so that you can easily make your face more glowing. This can be a great gadget for a beauty purpose. So friends, if you too are bored with your traditional mirrors, then you can use the smart mirror. Number 6. K5 Climber Car Toy. Guys, this is an amazing remote control car which is designed in a very unique way. In this you get rotating wheels with the help of which you can drive this car anywhere. These are very smart cars that can easily exit from any danger situation. You can run it on top of any object, and you can also easily run it on the stairs. So friends, if you also want a unique remote control car, then you can try it, which is very fun. Number 7. Electric Air Pump Balloon. Friends, if someone has a party or someone's birthday, then we need a balloon, because balloon itself helps in providing a good look to a party. But it is a very difficult to inflate balloon in which a lot of our time is wasted. So friends, in such a situation you can use this amazing gadget with the help of which you can inflate 100 balloons in 100 seconds and save a lot of your time. So friends, if your birthday is coming, then you can make your party even better by using this gadget. Number 8. Pet washing. Friends, if you have any pets in your house, then this gadget will be liked by you very much. because we use normal water to bath our pets, which causes a lot of problem in bathing the pets. So by the way, you can use this gadget which will be perfect for your pet, which is also very easy to use. You just have to wear this gadget in your hand and it supplies the water through the small nozzle in it, through which you will be able to clean your pet, and you can control its water flow with your hands. So friends, if you have pets at home too, then you will love using this gadget. Number 9. Hero Clip. Guys, even small things are very important in our life. If you travel somewhere, then the important things you need greatly increases. So in this way, you can use this Hero Clip, which can be very much useful for your every job. With the help of this Hero Clip, you can hang your goods very easily anywhere. You can also use it heavy loads because its build quality is very strong. And in this, you can also hang heavy things easily, and you can use it to hang things in your daily life too. If you also travel or go for some camping, then this gadget will help you a lot at the time. Number 10. Mini electric scooter. Friends, you must have seen many vehicles, but you meet this single wheel mini scooter which you can take with you anywhere. These are very cool gadgets. You can travel up to 20 kilometers by charging it once. In this, you get LED lights and a small display in the front, through which you can see the speed or battery. With this, you can also control it through your mobile app. It has a motor of 1000 power, and through this scooter, you will be able to enjoy comfortable ride. So friends, the link of all these gadgets is given in the description box below. If you want to buy, you can buy from there. So please like the video as well as subscribe to the channel and set the notifications so that such fun gadgets can be seen by you first. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.